good to have you here today. I am Karen. In this video, I'm going to share a few information about Moldavite. This video is requested by one of the subscribers, and she also wants to know how to meditate with Moldavite. I have to be honest with you that Moldavite is not a suitable healing stone for everyone, especially for beginners. There are two major reasons. The first one is that Moldavite belongs to a high-frequency healing stone family. It's not a crystal. The energy activity of Moldavite is much higher than the minerals on the surface, which means it may be too powerful for everyone to handle. Secondly, it's about the pricing. Because of the rareness of Moldavite stone, the price has always been high, and it has been doubled in 2 years. Right now, I am showing you the Moldavite pendant that I'm wearing. Natural Moldavite should have streams and different sizes of bubbles because that's how they formed, and this could never be imitated. If you absorb under a microscope, you can find the beautiful inclusions as well. It's really amazing. If you're interested in healing stones and making DIY jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The powerful energy of Moldavite is mainly to open up your block chakras, help you sleep, and relieve your depression. It is also a wishing stone. Make positive and reasonable wishes by holding her in your hand. She will lead you to find the direction with your own effort. It is said that there's an elf living in every Moldavite. So when you look at it through the light carefully, you can see some specific things such as the tree of life or the magical pattern similar to the human face. You could find her assistance in your subconscious mind. There's a saying here, Moldavite will choose the master who's linked to her. So when you purchase a Moldavite, if you can't find the right one at the moment, do not force yourself, because if she's the one that's connected with you, you will know. The experience of my local customers who bought the Moldavite from me, it was like magic. One of the examples, it happened last month when I posted a few Moldavite pendants to my client group. My customer, her name is Wing. She saw this particular one and she was so obsessed with it and kept rushing me to get it for her. And she was just going to buy the green phantom quartz bracelet, and ended up she bought the Moldavite pendant and the green phantom quartz. After that, she told me the moment she saw the pendants, she was like, couldn't help it. She just wanted it so bad. The best jewelry of Moldavite is to wear it as a pendant to help you stimulate your heart chakra, makes you feel compassionate and loving, and to use a brand new vision to look at yourself, look at your life. For the Moldavite bracelet, please remember to wear it on your left hand to absorb the positive energy. If you work at the police stations, hospitals, courts, the places that are with high negative energy, wearing Moldavite will help you balance your energy field to stay positive and stay strong. Like I always reply to your comments, each of you have different energy field, so the reaction will be different no matter what healing stone you wear or you use. Like myself, I'm very sensitive to energy, either positive or negative. Just want to share a little bit experience when I first held my Super 7 in my hand. The energy flow was coming up from my stomach all the way up to my brain. All suddenly I felt confident, satisfied and happy. I was smiling at her. It was not even cleansed yet. I just opened up the delivery box and then I got her out. So it was amazing. Okay, let's get back to the subject. When the energy of Moldavite enters your body, you may feel dizzy, happy, excited, or burning in your body, or you may have a fast heartbeat, or nothing happens. And if the uncomfortable reaction stays for too long, too strong, or too consistent, it's okay. Set it aside for a few hours or a few days and then try it again. And because the energy of Moldavite is stronger than crystals, you just need to cleanse it regularly, like burning the white sage to cleanse it. And Moldavite will also help enhance the energy power for your other crystals and healing stones. Cleansing your healing stone is important. It's one of the communication steps with your stone. In the coming videos, I will be sharing the ways to make connections with your own crystals and how to meditate with them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.